So we saw this yesterday in our examples that if we're adding vectors, we can just add the corresponding components. So it makes it a lot easier because here if you have the vector p and the vector q and you wanted to add p plus q, all you're going to need to do is add the corresponding components. So when we add these together, 3 plus -2 is 1, -1 plus 0 is -1, and 4 plus 3 is 7. And then in B, you can add scalars in front of things as well. So again, P is 3, -1, 4, and you want to minus 1/2 of Q, which is -2, 0, 3. That 1/2 can go inside. And then you can subtract from there. So 3 minus a -1, -1 minus 0, and 4 minus 3/2. Well, this would be 8/2 minus 3/2, leaving us with 5/2. So here we're given a vector a to b. So if we're imagining this, we've got a point A, we've got a point B, and there's a vector from A to B. And then we also have a point C, and we have a vector from B to C. If we add those two vectors together, that would be like going from A to C. So first of all, we can say that A to C is the same as going from A to B and then going from B to C. And A to B as a column vector would be 4, 7, -3. And B to C would be -1, 2, -5. 3, 9, -8 would be our answer. So read this one. Again, we've got a point A, we've got a point B, we've got a point C. What's different about this question than our previous ones? We've got to do some subtracting this time or something different because we want to find B to C, so we want to find this. And what we're given is we're given A to B, so we're given A to B, and we're given A to C. But if we want to go from B to C, using the black lines, because those are what we're given, you would have to start at B and go this way first, and then this way. Does it make sense that B to C is like going from B to A and then going from A to C? We're given A to C. We know that A to C is 1, 5, 1, 0, 5, because there's no J. We're given A to C is 1, 0, 5. But we're given A to B, we're not given B to A. Just flip it. So if we put a negative sign in front of A to B, which is -3 to -6, that will equal B to A. So anytime you want to change something in the opposite direction, going this way is -A to B. Then if we multiply this through and add things together, we get that B to C is 4, -2 plus 0, -2, 6 plus 5, 11.